stop it. What?
Do not push the fucking door off.
Oh, so you're gonna swear now, yeah?
No, you just tried to slam my arm in that door.
I tried to close the door.
You tried to slam my arm was still in the door.
I tried to close the door. You get away. You get away.
Buckle up, guys. Today we're diving straight into a situation that spirals from calm to chaos in seconds. Coley Burks is outside a police station, exercising a legal right to film, when one officer decides to make it personal. This is where we see how a simple, lawful act can trigger an unnecessary power struggle. It's calm before the storm, but you can already feel the tension building beneath the surface.
Oh, I'm just making a video.
Of what? Sorry, because filming our backyard, obviously we have concerns.
Are you filming? Are you filming me?
I am, yes. So
would you let me know before you start filming me, please?
Yeah, no, I want to deal with this first because this is more pressing.
Deal with what?
The fact that you're filming a backyard, you're filming police officers going in and out of the building.
Why would that be a problem?
Because you understand there's a terror threat. This is what people do. They film, they make video.
No, they don't.
I'm not asking you, I'm telling you that people film.
Based on what data, facts, statistics? Just pulling it out the air. No, you're telling me, but you're not, there's no basis for your argument.
That people do what's called hostile reconnaissance.
Okay, do you think this is hostile reconnaissance?
Are you going to actually listen?
I don't want to listen because you're talking rubbish, bro. This is not, terrorists do not film back gates of police stations.
Yes, they do.
No, they don't.
They do.
Name me one example.
There was
go on.
this case of the White City police station. He had loads of videos of the police station and he was stopped just before he attacked.
Alright guys, here's where suspicion starts creeping in. The officer approaches Coley with a baseless claim, accusing him of filming for terrorist reasons. The conversation gets heated fast as Coley calmly demands evidence and logic. But instead of clarity, all he gets are vague excuses and shaky reasoning. You can almost sense the frustration rising as power tries to trump the law with pure assumption.
Well, I believe it was.
Could you identify yourself, please?
What's all this? What are you filming the police station for is what I'm asking you.
I asked you to identify it first, please. What does this mean? What if I can't see?
I've got a name badge, I've got shoulder numbers.
Okay, when a member of the public asks you to
anyway,
identify,
I'm asking you a question. Why are you filming?
We're going down this authoritarian route, are we? I don't need to answer any questions. How about that?
What is it, section 55?
Section 55, right. Is it?
Right, you're going to be searched under Section 55 of the Terrorism Act. I'm PC Beach from Barkingside Police Station. You're entitled to a copy of the search. You're detained for the purpose of the search.
Okay. You're not going to cuff me, are you?
No,
Can I keep this in my hand?
Relax.
You lot calm down. What are the grounds for the search? What are you expected to find?
I said I'm not going to put you in cuffs. I'll put you under.
What is Section 55? What is Section 55?
The Terrorism Act. It allows us to search.
Does it exist?
It does.
No, it doesn't.
Right. Okay.
Alright, you're going to be sued. Crack on, mate.
Right.
Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. Why are you putting me to the floor? Why are you putting me to the floor? Yo, Jill, get off, get off, get off, get off, get off. Why are you putting me to the ground?
Because you're continuing to pull against me and you're being
grabbed me for no reason.
Yeah.
You grabbed me for no reason.
Now pay close attention, because this is the explosive turning point. The officer suddenly cites a non-existent Section 55 of the Terrorism Act to detain Coley. No warning, no legal ground, just brute force and bluff. Coley's rights are trampled as he's slammed and cuffed. This isn't law in action, it's ego on full display. Moments like this reveal exactly why accountability matters.
How are these people, man?
No.
Relax.
Just
get off me! Get off!
Relax.
Get off! Get off! Section 55 doesn't even exist. Get your
No. Look, right, as soon as the cuffs are on, you can stand up, just relax, alright?
It was very simple. You were just asked why you were filming a police station.
Please,
thank you.
Right, put this right. He's acting unreasonable now.
It's not acting.
It's absolutely unreasonable.
He's asked you a question, you didn't answer him.
I don't have to answer.
I don't have to answer. Isn't it?
Beach, I don't have to answer. Do you not get that?
I'm going to continue to search you.
Right, whilst I'm on the floor. At least let me stand up. Section 55 doesn't even exist. You just made it up.
Section 55 of the Terrorism Act.
Section 55 doesn't exist. Get me out of cross. I'm not.
Relax.
He was trying to search you and
you have no grounds to search me. Section 55 don't exist. What grounds? So you just made up a law and you just tackled me to the floor for doing illegal activity. That's what just happened. My coat is ripped. I'm in cuffs. What is Section 55? What is Section 55?
This is where silence becomes louder than words. Other officers are right there, watching everything, yet no one steps in. The original officer shifts from Section 55 to 44 like it's a casual slip, while his colleagues ignore the legal mess unfolding. It's not just one bad action, it's collective inaction. This part exposes how power can unite, not to protect the law, but to protect itself.
State of you, man. You're a complete mess, bro. Why would you do that? Why would you do that?
Why would I do what?
Why would you just
you
do
filmed
what
me in
you
the
just did?
backyard of a police station. I've asked you questions
I don't
about
need
it,
to answer your
and
question.
you're not
I don't
answering
need to
it.
answer-
So then I decided to search you. When I'm searching you, you've decided to resist. So I've used force
I
in order
resist.
to.
Yes, I will resist. Of course,
I'm
I'll resist.
explaining. If you want to listen, you can listen.
But you're gonna
Because
pay
you
for
want
that
this
code
for your
as well.
camera and everything, don't you?
Yeah, so take me out
So-
of cuffs so you can explain, and then maybe people
At the
can
moment,
hear
you're
your
still
point of-
detained.
For what? What else are you searching for? I don't understand. You haven't even searched the bag. Why have you not
I
searched the
searched your
bag?
bag.
Yeah, this place, hella corrupt. You know that. This
Right,
is
what I
wrong.
will correct is it is section 44, not 55. I did get the wrong
44.
section.
That's wrong as well. Try
It's
the third
not.
time. Let's see if you get third time lucky. This 43 is the one you're looking for. It's too late now. Too late now.
It don't matter, mate.
Yeah, no, it does, no, it does matter, mate. No, it does matter, mate. It does matter, mate. It does matter, mate. Yeah. You can just make it up on the spot. It does matter.
If you're
Of course
searching
it
for a
matters.
terrorism act, who cares?
But what do you mean, who cares?
We're
It
searching you
matters.
because we suspect you being
Yeah, you
terrorist.
suspect I'm a terrorist.
Shut up and
You
listen.
shut up, you slap it. Yeah, slap it. Shut up.
Alright, guys, here's where the mask completely falls off. The officer fumbles through his own justifications, twisting his story as Coley stands firm. When told he could be sued, the officer just shrugs, almost proud of the system shielding him. That's not confidence, it's entitlement. This part captures exactly how some in authority rely on protection, not principle, to dodge accountability.
Idiot. Yeah, it's a great one. You're out here misusing legislation, searching me under legislation that don't exist. It's a great one. Section 43 don't require me to give no details.
44.
Yeah, 44 don't exist anymore. It was repealed in 2011.
So you're refusing to give us
Yes,
your
I'm
name?
refusing, yeah.
I shoot you.
Is it? Let's see the photo.
I shoot you. I'm not going to show you. No.
No, because it's.
Well, get off away from me then. Who are you talking to, mate?
Who are you talking to?
Huh?
What?
Do you know what I mean? Who do you think you are?
Who do you think you are?
Hey, don't stop,
What's the-
mate. I'm talking to my
what,
colleague.
I'm in cuffs and there's 4 of you.
Huh? What are you
you're
going to
so
do?
bad?
What are you going to do without cuffs?
I'm not gonna act aggressive, am I? I was acting aggressive because you touched me first. I was defending myself. Okay, so you
That's
can
fine,
take me out
I'm
of cuffs.
No, I'm not. And that's no worries. I'll have to write something to explain why I've kept you in cuffs, and I'll do
You're
that.
gonna be sued for this. Don't worry about it.
I'll be sued, no problem.
You are gonna be made to account. I promise you. You're gonna be
Okay, that's no problem.
I'm already suing a
Like
sergeant. I'm
I
already suing
said,
someone from state
I'll
unit.
have to do notes after this to explain it, and I'll justify it, and I'll account for it, as you've said
You'll have
in
to
your
justify
words.
it to a judge as well. It won't be you though.
It won't be
It'll
too
be our
judge, will it?
solicitors.
That's not be silly.
No, you will, because it's gonna go to the county court.
Here comes the so-called apology, but it's far from sincere. The officer admits he got it wrong, confusing 55 with 44, and tries to laugh it off as human error. But this isn't forgetting a name, this is unlawful detention. Coley calls him out, and the moment shows just how little responsibility some are willing to take when they hold power. The system forgives, but justice rarely forgets. Voice 7. Alright guys, here we are at the final stretch. The tension remains thick as the officer tries to save face, but the outcome speaks louder than any excuse. Coley walks away not just with his rights intact, but with a £1,500 payout, proving the abuse of power had consequences. This story is more than just a clash. It's a reminder of why cameras matter. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.
There we go. Right, like I explained, you're entitled to a copy of the search.
Yeah, let me get that.
If you go to a police station,
No, right, can you write up
we
for
do
me?
it
Can you
electronically.
write up for me? Would you identify yourself, please? Why not?
You've been searched under terrorism. You don't have to.
You don't have to under terrorism legislation.
I'll let you from it's 235139. That's
So why have you released me if I'm a terrorist?
You deal with them officers there, mate. Alright?
Just go. What are you saying about what you're gonna do and this and that? Why are you acting like a thug? So yes, it was section 55.
Section 44.
No, so you said 55, 44.
55 to begin with, and I corrected myself.
Okay.
I'm human. I can forget
Alright,
things.
fair enough. So what's it 44? Yeah.
Yeah.
So you corrected it from 55 to what?
44 is what I believe is the right section.
I just wanted to make sure you wrote down section 44.
I haven't written down section 44 on there.
Okay.
The code on there is for the Terrorism Act, and that's what I put in there. But like I've said it all over my camera, your camera, everything, that I believe I got it wrong to begin with. That's 55.
You can't afford to get things wrong, though. You can't afford to get. No, of course, no, you can't. No, but you. This is you're dealing with people's rights. You're dealing with legislation and crime. You can't afford to make mistakes like this.